This is Justin with DURACLUTCH, and I just want to talk a little bit about the new RXL primary that we offer for the Ranger 1000 XP models. This has a sealed outer design, as you can tell, so you can't really see what's in it. This is great for keeping dust and dirt out. We just wanted to give a little insight to you on what's actually going on inside this primary. So we have a normal spring just like any other primary. The difference between this and kind of what else is out there is this has these little roller weights. And so inside here you can see there's 6 of them, and they go in these ramp profiles, and these actually roll up and down in here, and that is what causes the action of the primary to open and close instead of a traditional flyweight. So this is the spider that goes on top of it. As you can tell, very large surface area here that contacts these rollers, and when that fits down in here, that spider is allowed to come and move in and out with those rollers, and that's what allows the primary to come in and out. So on this model, this is a version of one that we've had thousands and thousands of test miles on. You can tell the difference. This is new, this is used. You can see that the rollers and the ramp profile and all that shows a little bit of wear and stuff, like how any clutch component would. The biggest difference is, though you can see these have wear on them, there's nothing that's flat spotted, nothing that's worn out, or even beginning to wear out. So it keeps all the dust and dirt out, it stays very clean, and it allows it so that even at a lot of miles, these don't have wear components like a typical clutch. So what this offers inside that you can't see is reliability and simplicity. And in turn, that pretty much makes it so that you have components inside here that are going to last you a very long time, something you're not going to have to worry about.